Good morning, I'm Dave and this is Down the Road We Go, and this is one of our in the shop videos. What this is an update to our slide gearbox problem. If you'll recall back, and I'll put it up here or up here, a link to our videos about the gearbox problems and how it leaks on your roof and then ruins it. Well, basically, while we were out west, they said when we come back, what they did is they patched it with a patch on all three slides where it was leaking, and then said when we get back we'll see if the factory will put them on. Well, good news, they did. They completely replaced the roofs on all three slides. They look good. They said you know, when you go out next time, as soon as you get back, which is going to be about 2 months, bring it back in and we're going to look at the slides again to make sure that everything's all right. Plus he wants us to look at it. Of course we'll look at it while we're driving along, and every time we roll it out I'm going to take a peek at them and make sure they're sealed good. But the factory did step up and Keystone went ahead and replaced it, and our dealer Smallwoods in Jackson, Tennessee fixed us right up, got us out. We said we wanted it the 1st of May and we got it on the 1st of May. So good job. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at them, just show you what they look like now, and with the drip pans and everything in the new roofs. So cut to that. Okay, what we're looking at here is the slides. This is the kitchen slide. Then over here is the living room slide. As you can tell, it's a whole brand new roof all the way down. And there's the gearbox right there. And that's the drip pan underneath. Let me zoom in a little bit here. There you go. You can see the drip pan that's underneath, and it has a little bit of grease in it that's leveled out. It just feels, you can't really wipe anything out of it right now. It just feels a little, you know, greasy like. And the other one is the same way on the kitchen slide. Now they also put a roof on the bedroom slide too, but I was just showing you how they did a pretty good job. Let me zoom it back out. There we go. Now again, this is the kitchen slide, and if you'll notice, they've got this sealed up real good here, and you can't see on the outside, but on the outside they've put some of that a layer about this wide of that eternal bond over the top of that seal to make sure it's sealed up real good. So everything looks real good. Again, both on the kitchen side and the living room side. Looks pretty good. And Keystone stepped up and paid for it. So as you can see down here on the side, there's a lot of nice goo that they put on it to underneath that channel that holds it down right here. So should work out pretty good, but we're going to keep an eye on it, that's for sure, as we travel when we go to Yellowstone. So just wanted to get everybody caught up, and this is the update to those other videos we did about the slide and the gearboxes. So if you want to see those, they'll be up in the corner so that you can go back and get everything from the start. So take care, guys, and down the road we go, and enjoy the ride when we get out of here. If you like this video and any of the series or in the shop series or our regular travel videos, make sure you subscribe and click the little bell next to the subscribe button. And actually, if you click that little bell, it'll subscribe for you. At the end of the video, that's where you'll see the subscribe. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you as we go down the road we go.